Stephanie of Creative with Miss Me. Today I'm participating in a collaboration, and it is entitled The Fall Cozy Corner. And this collaboration is hosted by Arlynn at Arlynn's Country Craft Corners and Kim at Sweet Daisy Creations. Now, guys, in this collaboration, they asked us to use a ladder, table or basket, a plaque or a sign, garland, be it store-bought, fabric, berries, or leaf garland. Now, I have all those things, but Stephanie went through some changes. Yes, changes. The changes were that I did it over twice. I did a first attempt, a second attempt, and then my final attempt. So I know I just kept looking at it and things didn't seem right to me, so I kept adding and adding and adding until I came up with the final look. So if you're interested in all three looks, please stick around. Okay guys, here's my cozy corner. I didn't show you much on how, not showing much on how I did it. It was a lot of work, a lot of changing. But I want to show you up close everything I did for my cozy fall decor cozy corner challenge. Hope I said that right. But first of all, you were required to have a basket. You were required a sign. And you also required to have garland. I have garland here and garland up there. And you also asked to have a ladder. Well, I didn't have one, so I made a ladder back there. So I have my scarecrows. You know, our good our Dollar Tree scarecrows. And I have my wooden lantern. Then I have a copper, birdcage where I put some pine cones in for fall. And back here in the back, here is my glass pumpkin where I put my foliage in. I think it came out really cute, guys. I did a lot of changing on this. If believe it or not, I've done this over 5 times. And so I stuck with this because I think this looks the best. So I hope you guys enjoyed my really, really short video. And if you did, guys, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I try to always answer my comments as soon as I can. And also, guys, if you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please click that subscribe button. And next to it, you'll see the bell. Click that bell twice, and that will notify you every time I upload a video. We would love to have you in the family, guys, so come on and subscribe. And also, guys, follow me on my social media accounts. And as always, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching. And you guys be blessed.